Hey guys, so this afternoon I was craving moi moi. I don't want to eat rice, though I still have some leftover rice on Sunday, but I don't want that. I wanted something different. So guys, I went to my pot. It was empty, so I said, okay, first let me take juice first before I start cooking. Beg, I don't know the firewood and heat too much stuff. I don't even know which one is doing me safe. Try and cut that beg. I'm craving moi moi, but I don't want the normal taste of moi moi that we used to cook, so I wanted something different. So guys, let's start. I started off with blending my beans, 1 medium sweet potato, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, which is optional for spice, and my onions. I found this recipe from my sister. After getting my ingredients ready, I started to blend some fresh tomatoes that I'll be needing tomorrow morning. Tonight guys, we are wrapping it up. Added my cooked fish, my stock water to loosen the batter and give the moi moi more flavor. We are wrapping it up. So guys, now I'm pouring in my my vegetable oil and my spring onions. I added my seasoning cubes, salt to taste, but I'm not going to add my cooked egg inside the batter. Now wrap guys. So guys, I think I'll be making a video on how to do this wrapping. I'll be doing a video on it, I think next week, should be next week or so, not today, so that this video won't be long. So I started cooking. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscription button and turn your notification on so that you're not going to miss a whole lot when I drop the videos on helpful cooking tips. After 45 minutes, I went to check on my moi moi. Ooh, that aroma, jeez. So guys, it's all ready. So guys, I unwrapped it and tested it. Jesus God, I'm going to enjoy it this afternoon. Yeah, good. Okay, I made syrup to enjoy it with. I added my milk, my pig milk. God, I like pig milk. I don't know if I'm the only one that love it. I prefer it to other brands. No shade to other brands though, but I just love pig milk. Look at that, Chef Chi. After that, I decided to rest a little before eating. Jesus, good. I love moi moi, but then I don't like cooking it. It's always stressful. If you watch to this end, like and subscribe. Subscription is free. Bye.
Strong, Monica.